Do you want to know how to transition from broke college student to running multi-channel 7-figures income streams? If yes, then you are in the right place. Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn 6 key steps to start a dropshipping business. A step-by-step guide to dropshipping, specially designed in a beginner's-friendly tone so that you will start from basics and grow as a pro. In the end of this video, you will get tips that really work for me, and definitely they will work for anyone. So stay tuned. I know you are feeling overwhelmed with all the information out there in blogs and videos about how to start a dropshipping journey. Trust me, I've been there too. That's why, as an experienced entrepreneur, I am giving you a green signal to start dropshipping right now. Why? Because dropshipping isn't just a trend, it's the future of e-commerce, and the opportunities in this business are limitless. I am going to guide you through the process of starting your dropshipping business the right way. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just dipping your toes into the world of e-commerce, this guide has got you covered. So, grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's dive into the world of dropshipping. But first, let's demystify dropshipping. It's a game changer in the e-commerce landscape, offering a low-risk, high-reward business model that's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. With dropshipping, you can sell products to customers without ever having to worry about inventory management or shipping logistics. So, let's go ahead and jump right into the step-by-step process of dropshipping. Step 1. Choose your niche. This is absolutely crucial. You want to find a niche that not only aligns with your interests, but also has a hungry market ready to buy. Think about what problem you can solve or what passion you can tap into. Step 2. Finding reliable suppliers. Your suppliers are the backbone of your dropshipping business, so choose wisely. Look for suppliers who offer quality products, fast shipping, and excellent communication. Platforms like AliExpress and Salehu are great places to start your search.
Temu, the latest sensation, is an online megastore. It offers an extensive range of products with unbeatable discounts, free shipping, and hassle-free returns. Discover top-rated products in the 5-star rated section. The best thing is that you can use the official app to connect your Temu account to Shopify seamlessly, effortlessly import trending products, and streamline your dropshipping process.
Step 3. It's time to roll up your sleeves and set up a store. You'll need a killer e-commerce platform to showcase your products and attract customers. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to create a professional-looking store without coding skills. If you want to know how to make a seamless website on Shopify, I have dropped the link of a Shopify step-by-step tutorial in the description. Step 4. Once your store is live, it's all about optimizing those product listings. This means crafting compelling descriptions, using high-quality images, and sprinkling in some SEO magic to make your products stand out from the crowd. Step 5. Finally, it's time to unleash your marketing skills. Get creative with social media, crank out killer content, and experiment with paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Remember, engaging with your audience and building those relationships is key. Now, let's say you have built your store. You did product research. You strategized about organic source for traffic or maybe running ads for this purpose. You got multiple orders coming. The next thing you want is the perfect and most efficient system that would make all steps easier. For instance, inventory management, order placement, and upselling. With AI as your trusted partner, all this is possible. The best platform you can utilize for this purpose is ecommercebot. Its automation, optimization, and chatbot service is beyond amazing. Step 6. Before you start dropshipping officially as a side hustle or full-time business, make sure your business is legally legit. This involves registering your business, obtaining necessary permits or licenses, and staying on top of your tax obligations. Trust me, you don't want any legal headaches down the road. Time for pro tips that really work. Tip 1. For viral product hunting, open TikTok and search hashtags like hashtag Amazon Finds, hashtag viral products, hashtag TikTok made me buy it, and hashtag products you need. Use the filter to last 6 months to find latest products trending online. Or use Winnerzilla, it's another masterpiece. It suggests 5 products per week, at least 3 are absolute winners. It also gives photos, videos, and descriptions for every single product. Or you can go on Amazon Movers and Shakers page or research on eBay bestsellers page. Tip 2. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just copy the style of viral videos of TikTok and provide better quality and lighting, and that's it. You will surely get the desired results. Ultra pro tip for all businesses: be consistent, and be consistent. I know you can't get viral overnight, so use multi-channel to promote your products. For instance, on Instagram Reels and on YouTube Shorts. Final words. Dropshipping is a journey filled with twists and turns, but with the right mindset and determination, you can turn your dreams into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, start your dropshipping venture now. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep hustling.